get a color.
Beautiful. Come back there. Keep.
He's a tough guy.
So we're starting at 4, right? Okay. I'm just going to try and make them go out one by one. I'm ready. Come on. I guess they really can only go out one by one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, 23, we're at the Jordan. Go ahead. Big 24. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Yeah, we're going to get a full count. 34. We can minus the roosters. 35. Come on. 36, 37, 38. Alright, winner. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Go ahead. Go ahead. You're good. Empty. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. I gotta push them on. Sure. Sure, right, 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. Hold on, what were we on? Okay. I'm just gonna count how many is in
Here.
Okay.
2. I think 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. None in the, oh, 15 in the nesting box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. out Bugger.
I might be slow, but at least I'm keeping it very clean, you know?
You gonna do 1 or 2? Okay. The final 5. Now that one in the back that looks good, he's kind of got a messed up beak. See it? A little bit of crooked beak. Not quite scissor beak, but you know what I mean? But this guy right here looks good to me.
Yeah, we can keep him. He has got that real round beach ball body too, and his color looks beautiful.
Yeah, not a lot of red on his head. What about that one back there to the left? It's a little smaller, but his breast looks good and his beak looks okay. I think he might be worth keeping around.
Yep, that one does have a little bit of a crooked beak, so
Yeah.
he's not a keeper.
Afraid not.
Yeah, we can keep him.
Keep the little one. These other two have too much red on their head.
Yeah. Well, and this one that's under the thing just looks like a scrawny
Yeah.
thing.
Do you want to catch the keepers?
Sure.
Congratulate them? You want me to?
I'll catch it. You gonna let me in there?
They're fighting over a corn cob.
Oh, don't let these guys out.
You don't know how lucky you are, buddy. You want to just sit him down?
Sure.
Sit him down.
Should we look at him? Oh yes, you're a beautiful boy. All right, go have fun.
Want to grab the other one?
Sure.
Right at it, boy.
All right, let's talk about it. Is it? He's all the way in the back, right? The one all the way in the back.
Yeah, I reckon so. That one looks good on the left, but he's just got that beak. Yeah, that one
The
right
beak's
there.
a non-negotiable.
He's got really good color on his breast, I think. Did you get him?
I got him.
Nice. Oh.
You okay?
Bring him out?
Yep.
Oh yeah, beautiful color. All right, guys, you didn't make the cut. Man, that would be great if you didn't have that crooked beak. Oh yeah, that's definitely crooked though.
Oh, we got a hen trying to come in here. Oh, she's in there.
She's in! It's okay. What about that guy right there?
Nope.
A little too much red on his head, huh?
Gotta be
Okay.
picky.
Okay.